a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video where I want present to una this very moment, and I go to follow una, they watch the video. After we don't watch them together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Did the government meet up the demand they were asking for? How did they meet up the demand? That is it, Mazi. Now you come to our leader. We are making it very clear today, and we are asking all Biafrans, wherever you are, this is a different phase of the struggle. Nigerian government must release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. Unconditionally. And as they are releasing him, we are not asking them to keep him in any prison, no place in Nigeria. Or they say they are moving him from Abuja to anywhere in the southeast. No, there is no prison that is safe in Nigeria. Mazi, for that reason, tell me the side. Let me just give you an example why I say there is no prison safe prison in Nigeria. They all can be, you know, they deceive the people. They say it's correctional facility. There is no, this is prison. Mazi, on September 3rd, I can give you the dates, 2015, they attacked the Sokoto remand home. This is after Jubilee, the same year he came to power. They attacked the Sokoto remand home that was also holding many Boko Haram members, and they released them. Around 13 inmates escaped from that particular place. This is 3rd September 2015. Then you come in October 7th, Enugu Maximum Prison. There was a jailbreak. 2 inmates escaped. Ikorekpene Prison. 27 December 2017, it was also attacked. 47 inmates escaped. May 13th, Abo Prison, Delta State, fence collapse, 3 inmates escape. January 2nd, 2022, Mandala Prison, a lorry break, 3 inmates escape. June 4th, 2018, Mina Maximum Prison, Security Prison, 210 inmates escape. On 4th July, Nke Kuje, 2022, Kuje Prison, 856 escape. In November 28, 2021, Jos Medium Security Prison, 262 inmates escaped. 10 was killed. In July 19, 2021, Jos Maximum Security Prison attacked. 4 inmates escaped. In October 2021, Obolong Prison, Oyo break, 837 people escape. September 13, Kaba Prison break, Kogi State, 240 inmates escape. April 4th, 2021, Owerri Prison break, 1,884 inmates freed. October 2022, October 22nd, 2020, Okitipapa Prison break, 58 inmates escape. In October 2020, during the NSAS issue, prison break, Bini prison break, 1,993 inmates escaped from 2 facilities. Mazi, in October 19th, 2020, Oko prison in Edo was attacked. And Mazi, there are more than other 15 or 20 jailbreak attempts that failed. In this situation, Mazi, are you telling me are you telling me that you can guarantee that our leader to be released and kept in another prison? No, they must release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally, because Even the DSS, there is no security in DSS. I can tell you that. There is no security. Mazi, let me tell you, even if they put every security, the people, Boko Haram, ISWAP, the Nigerian government, they have everybody inside that place. It is a matter of they give them a clearance. They go and operate. Mazi, I have never seen this prison breaks. It's not that there is an uproar in the prison. You know, there is a difference. In the prison, there is an uproar. Maybe I didn't talk about Iguacha uproar in the prison that happened a few months ago over homosexual, that they killed many people in Iguacha prison. I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about there are no uprising inside the prison. These are people, external forces coming outside to break the prison. And you tell me the government don't know? You tell me the Nigerian government don't know? Do you know why when these people are coming, they ask them to write a letter? They ask, they like now, civil defense have written their own. So that tomorrow, if anything happen, you don't blame them. Are you understanding me? They have alerted the people so that not tomorrow when they break the prison, you come and blame them. Where is the security? They have told you. They have informed the government. Those who are supposed to put security there, let them put it. But they won't put it. And those who are Christians, they will pay. They are the ones they will put on duty the day the Islamic will come for an attack and people will be massacred. It is better that our people will rise up. Nnamdi Kanu will not be sent to any prison. What we are asking for is unconditional release. Don't sending him anywhere. Sending him, is it in the southeast where the governors who participated in his rendition have their connections? Is that where you're going to bring him? Is that where you are going to keep him? And that is what IPOB media and the leadership is looking into on our last line of attack on the media space. Thank you, Mazi.
There were Mazi. Before I open the lines, there is this question, because the issue of calling people's name on air, I think it has been cleared. Now, we see the situation in Nigeria, the political situation, the brouhaha, the electioneering fever that is right now taking place in the whole of Nigeria. Now, some people will call and say that, oh, IPOB should not take any stand. Some people will call and say IPOB should take stand immediately. So, what is the way forward, please?
Taking stand on the Nigerian election?
Yes, yes. No voting, there will be voting. Let's vote for this, or, you know, please.
Mazi, I have said this thing before. Our duty is continue to educate our people. IPOB will continue to educate the people, and we are not making any stand for anybody. Even if IPOB will take a stand, it is too early to take a stand. I'm telling you the fact, because that is what you see sometimes people, you know, those people telling you to take a stand, they are the Nigerian agents. Are you understanding me? Because the government want to know what IPOB will say, what they will do, so they know their line of attack. Master, there is no very strong weapon to deal with the enemy like keeping silent on your next move. It is very, very important that our people, like they used to say, we are not sophisticated people. Our people are not sophisticated. If you watch what happened in Anambra election, you saw people, they're shouting. Somebody in America was telling me, because he's an, what did he say himself? He said he have a position, he have right to pronounce for IPOB what will happen, because he's a principal officer. He can speak for IPOB. I say, yes, you can speak for IPOB, but you won't speak for IPOB on national interest, because it is not in your position to do that. You can defend IPOB in certain things, but there are people, before we make a statement, the leadership will make a consultation, they will critically look into it, because they always say 2 heads are always better than 1. You cannot go there to pronounce because you are a coordinator or you come out and say there will be no election. Tell us the plans of the enemy. Everything you are still saying, anything you are still saying on social media, this is all assumption. Voice messages are all assumptions. You see, people will formulate. There are people who know how to tell stories. And for that reason, it is too early for IPOB to come to make a public stand. But one thing we have tell our people is that our leader before now have made it very clear that we do not have anything to do with the Nigerian election. And in the real sense of it, there is nobody. You are looking for freedom today, tomorrow you go and participate in election. The world will never take you serious. That is one thing people have to know. We cannot, after a successful outing in Brussels just a few months ago, a month ago, or is it up to a month? No, that was on 14th and 15th June. It's not even up to a month. After a successful outing, a successful diplomatic move, after a few months, you go start talking about election when you have told them what you are looking for is outright independence through referendum. I'm asking, would they take you ever serious? No, they won't take you serious. So after 4 years, you come and do what again? You come back. People should know that Nigeria is ready to do everything because this election is the only thing that we do to be able to move this contraction to the next level. They want to hold it for the next 4 years. They know the country has collapsed, but they want to hold as long as they can. They want to hold it. They want to hold the next 4 years just to legitimize what they are doing. You will ask yourself, why is Nigeria so much worried on the election? During the election, they are shaking. That's why I said here, if you want to go to take the PVC, it's up to you. But what we are trying to say is we are touching the conscience of our people. To tell you, that is one thing they have to know. Mazi, there is no way, few months ago or a month ago, they were shouting PVC, 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 PVC. My question is this: have they all registered the PVC? Because I knew many of them in Abuja, where some people gathered to register the PVC. Some Northerners came there and they calling, who knows, the power they are calling to tell them that they come here to register PVC. They should send everybody away. That means they don't want you to register. You go to Lagos, they are saying in Alaba, they beat people because they want to take PVC. They fought our people who said, the people who said they fought them, beat them just to take the PVC. Now, what will happen to you the day you will go for accreditation? Then talk less of the day of voting. Maybe you won't even reach to the time of voting. They will kill you. Our people should know that our problem is not who is going to. Even if they are shouting obedient, we are not saying anything because we know the level. You know this thing happening in Abuja. They are trying to tell, in case P2B, you people are thinking to be president, you will rule from Abuja. Maybe you will rule from Enugu or you go to Calabar to make your base because you won't be in Abuja to rule them. That thing is one people have to know. And again, Mazi, it is just like the delegate. Our people should use what happened in PDP delegate and the APC delegate and the judge. The picture is clear. Use what happened among the delegates and they see what will happen in the election. It is like when you want to take examination during that time we are in secondary school, they say this is a mock examination. Before you take the real examination, they say this is a mock examination. The delegate is just a mock election for you to understand how it's going to work. And you are telling me in the whole of the PDP, the whole of Southeast region, the whole of Southeast was having only 98 or 95.
I think Dave Omahi was forcing Okada people to wear their party, is it APC party
yes.
caps?
Yes, caps. Yes. Mazi, will cap give you the election? Cap will not give you the election. And one thing is, those people, they will tell them, if you don't wear it, you will not ride Okada here. This is a kind of intimidation. They are forcing people looking for their daily bread. They force them, you must wear the cap. What are they doing? What is Dave Umahi doing? Because he's lobbying for Tinubu to release the money for him, so that we will make video. Everybody is supporting you. Everybody is supporting you. Everybody is supporting you. That is what he wants. This is a campaign that he will use to make money. That is not voting. I'm asking them, all these people shouting PVC, PVC, will you be in Galadima house when the result will be queued inside the system? Will you be there in Abuja? Are you going to be there? How many are you that have the PVC? One thing you have to know, I always say this thing, and let me repeat it again. In the Nigeria, the whole they said registered votes, those who registered for PVC, total in the whole of the Southeast is 8 million something, 8,300,000 or 500 and something cards registered. In the middle belt, it is almost 12 million something. In the northeast, it is almost 14 million something. Northwest is around 18 million something. Northwest. Then you come to south, they say it's 11 million. Go to southwest, they say I think 12 million. My question is this: if it is only 8 million registered here, where will you, why the North already? All those PVC they are shouting today, the North have already secured this thing in 1999 Constitution. They secured their 50% vote when they drafted their Constitution. Before you cast this vote, they already have 50%. And the one thing again, remember what happened to Awolowo in 1973. You can win popular vote, but when they will ask you to win 25% of each state, will it be possible for you? This is what our people, you can win popular, win on social media, you have win in this thing. Then they tell you, show us the result. Did he win? He must win 25% of the vote in every state. If they are doing P2B, you see people instigating. How many of you are going to stake your life for election, Nigerian election again? That is the question. They have killed you people enough. It is better they kill you for Biafra. And people will say they killed him because of Biafra than they kill you because of election. Remember is it 2011 when Jubril missed the election? Remember what happened? They massacred our people because of election. Do you people want, when Jonathan ran away, handed them over the power, is because he saw the amount of people that will be killed. He said the blood of Nigerians does not want it. P2B and all the people, are you people looking in that direction? The blood of our people that will be shared. Because after you people say, you talk about Biafra, they kill our people. The number of people they kill in Nigeria because of election outnumbered any other activity. Maze, I wrote a few days ago, anytime Nigerians try to make a move to liberate themselves, the West don't support it. Maze, we were here, Benali in Tunisia, the people rose up. They attack. They rose up everywhere. We saw what happened in Libya. The West supported them. We saw what happened in Egypt. It moved on. We saw what happened in Angola. We saw how they disposed all their tyrants, all their bad leaders. Why did it work? Same value system, at least they have the same religion. majority are the same religion, the same value system, even though they may have other differences, but it was able to align with their value, with what they are looking for. In Nigeria, it is impossible. Look at ordinary NSAS. British government step in, disorganize, they give them order, they kill you. What happened? At the end of the day, they shifted that it is Nnamdi Kanu that caused it. You people knew that it was one of the charges they brought. They said when this NSAS was hitting in the north, they asked them not to do it. Is this Biafra people? It is Nnamdi Kanu. Because we do not have the same thing in line. NSAS was a perfect platform for Nigerians to rise up, but it failed because of the tribal inclination, because of the tribal differences, because of certain things that you cannot amend among the people that made up this contraption called Nigeria. Mazi, this is going to be a wasted effort. Let me tell you something. Many people have died in Nigeria and nothing happened. Many. We have seen it. Many. Aeroplane will crash in Nigeria. They tell you we will make investigation. This one we have in the north. But if it happen at home, they will tell you it is IPOB. It is Nnamdi Kanu. Insecurity is at home. They are saying it's IPOB because they want to use it to hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's what they are telling the international community. But we don't care because we know there is no insecurity that will cost. Any insecurity that lasted for more than even 1 week, you know that the government is involved. They are involved. And our people now are helping them. Who are they using? They are using our people. Because if it is Fulani people that are committing those things now, we will catch them tomorrow. We will catch them. When our leader will come out, if they push for this election, I will tell them in one of these places, Mazi Doziemo, because we are warning our people what they will do. There are places, if you see where they massacre our people, dump their dead bodies. Dump their dead bodies. Do you know about it? No, you don't know. But when we bring it out, maybe you say, oh, it's Nigerian police.